Volume of a cuboid. Today, let us study how to find the volume of a cuboid. A cuboid is a solid geometrical object with 6 faces. Each face of a cuboid is a rectangle. In the figure, the length, breadth and height are marked. We get the volume of a cuboid by multiplying its length, breadth and height. Thus, volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to L into B into H. Let us solve an example. Find the volume of a cuboid having length 4 meters, breadth 2 meters and height 6 meters. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to 4 into 2 into 6, which is equal to 48 cubic centimeters. Thus, the volume of the given cuboid is 48 cubic centimeters. Now, let us solve a story problem. Aisha has a box of dimensions 12 centimeters into 6 centimeters into 3 centimeters. She wants to stack erasers in it. The volume of one eraser is 6 cubic centimeters. How many erasers can be stacked in that box? Firstly, volume of the box is equal to 12 centimeters into 6 centimeters into 3 centimeters, which is equal to 216 cubic centimeters. It is given that the volume of one eraser is equal to 6 cubic centimeters. Therefore, number of erasers stacked is equal to volume of the box divided by the volume of one eraser, which is equal to 216 divided by 6, which is equal to 36. Thus, 36 erasers can be stacked in Aisha's box.